What's going on, Smart? Yeah, and I'm back on your screen again, right? Super pumped, super excited as always, right? So let's talk about Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is up 17%. Immediately, I saw a bullish candle close, daily bullish candle close yesterday. I know that Wiki Cat is about to walk through to the upside. So it's fluctuating now, it's 15%. You can see that crystal clear. And you can see what volume going up just a little bit. You can see 66k right here. You can see that. And let's go to our chart, because after the massive sell-off, we saw a little bit of consolidation, and I know why this is happening right now, and I know why this is happening. So we've already established the fact that we saw a massive sell-off right here, and the double bottom I talked about on a weekly time frame. So this is the level right here. So price has been consolidating there. You can see that 17 18 level that I talked about long time ago. If I OG of the channel, you understand how things play. Yeah, so this bullish candle right here, daily candle close. Can you see that crystal clear? If you go to the lower time frame, like the 12 hours time frame, you see a clear double bottom right here. A clear double bottom, and what break of what the neckline is 17.8 level that I've drawn long time ago. So it's about to break that zone, but we need to see a clear daily candle close of that zone. Then we can sustain above that bar. If we can sustain above that bar, ladies and gentlemen, Wiki Cat will go extremely bullish to the upside. It's going to fly to the next previous resistant zone. That's exactly what Wiki Cat is going to do. But let me just show you what the weekly time frame right here. This is exactly what happened. And I know why this spike is happening. Don't worry, I'm going to talk about Digimon Rabbit also, because I'm seeing the same stuff happening to Digimon Rabbit, which is quite interesting. Very, very interesting. So look at this stuff right here. This is price action. I look at price action, and don't worry, I'm going to talk about Tesla stocks also. You remember I talked about Tesla stock, trading to $116. The Tesla stock is trading at $162 or so. Don't worry, you're going to head into that chart also. I'm going to show you something. This is price action. So with price action, the good thing about price action, you can use price action to kind of like foresee what's going to happen in the future, like 3 months, 4 months to come, what I'm saying, right? So you can see this crystal like this on the weekly time frame is coming to what? Close. So we need to see this candle close, on the neckline. Don't ever forget that a retouch of the neckline that I talked about. So we need a daily candle close above this 17-18 level. You understand, right? So if you close above that 17-18 level, the present point that is currently trading, we are really, really good. And next week we should expect what should we expect next week? We expect a bullish move to the upside. So we are still good on Wiki Cat. You've seen that I've literally analyzed Wiki Cat a long time ago, and you see how things are playing out by God's grace. What I'm saying, right? So this is us, what we do right here. So let's go to Digimon Rabbit. Let me show you what Digimon Rabbit is doing, because the chart is looking very, very interesting. Right, so this is Digimon Rabbit right here, and let me tell you what's happening. So if you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. Do you know why Digimon Rabbit is spiking? Digimon Rabbit is up 38%. I'm bullish on Digimon Rabbit. I've talked about that countless of time. And I have my approach as touching the market. I have my approach. So let's go to, the chart right here. Let me show you this. All right, so this is Digimon Rabbit. So weekly time frame, right? So this is weekly time frame right here. Remember the time I talk about double bottom? If you can remember, just type in the comment below. So double bottom right here. Can you see what's happening? That's why on the daily time frame we're seeing a massive bullish trend. So if we can sustain this move, on the weekly time frame, then we're going to form a double bottom. Do you understand? I don't know if you understand. On the weekly time frame, but on the daily time frame, we actually saw the break of the zone. But we can sustain, if we can close like this on the weekly time frame, we are going to form a double bottom. That is, price is not going to trade below the zone on the a weekly time frame. It's going to just sustain above that demand zone on a weekly time frame, and which is quite good, because most of the time we can see a trade up to the upside. And let me go to the daily time frame right here. Let me show you this, because if you can sustain this move like this, trust me, I'm bullish. If we can sustain this move like this that I talked about, I've talked about this move before, we are good to go. And what will most likely happen on a daily time frame is, if you want to really form that double bottom, for that double bottom to go, what will most likely happen? The price will trade to this zone, come and make a retest, because this is a resistance zone right about here. Make a retest of this zone, then trade to the upside, then we'll form with inverse head and shoulder pattern on a daily time frame. Then on the weekly time frame, then we are bullish. Do you understand the point right now? So that's how price action works. Simple and straightforward. Don't complicate things for yourself. So we want to see a daily candle close like this. Then we know that we are good to go. Same thing for WIKI Cat. So that's how you can literally look at this market and invest. So that on the long run, you will be on the winning side. You understand that point, right? So that's my bias, and let's just see how this thing will just close for us today, and it's closing today. And next week, that's when the final decision is going to be taken, whether it's going to bullish or bearish. But I'm bullish overall. But we not just want to see a daily candle close above the zone. A daily candle close above the zone, then we are good to go, ladies and gentlemen. If you have not smashed that like button till now, smash that like button as always, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, right? So let me go to Tesla stocks. Let me tell you what I talked about, because I'm seeing Tesla stock tanking. Right, so for those people that don't know, this is my YouTube channel. If you have not smashed that like button or subscribe, definitely you're gonna be missing out. Look at this post right here. Smart Danny 82 months ago, more than 2 months. And what did I see? Look at what I said about Tesla stock. Tesla stock would crash towards $115 crystal clear, and it's crashing right now as I speak. Tesla stock right now is trading at $162 or so, if I'm not mistaken, and it's still going to crash. I'm just waiting for next week to just bring out a detailed video as touching that. We need to see how next week candle is going to close. Then after next week candle close, then don't worry, I'm going to talk about Tesla stock, Netflix stock, if you are a stock trader, or if you want to invest in stocks so that on the long run you can make money. That's the bull run, when the bull run is about to start, because we invest in stocks also, and we can eventually cash out from there. So all these things that you see right here is price action. With price action, you can actually know what will most likely happen in the next 6 months, in the next 1 year to come. So I'm smart. If you like what I do, definitely smash that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'm definitely going to see you on the next one. Peace out and stay safe out there.